Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 6 we are here with another amazing topic, that is continents. Let's begin. Study what are continents and 7 continents. Did you know that approximately 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water alone and the other 30% are covered by land as shown in the figure. This land has been divided into 7 main areas. Each area is called a continent. In simple words, continent is a large continuous mass of land. The 7 continents are Asia, Australia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America and Europe. It is seen that each continent has a special shape. Some of these continents are connected while the water separates others. Let's learn an easy way to remember these names. Look at the sentence. Erin ate 9 sticky apricots at April, in which you see in Erin E stands for Europe, in 8 A stands for Asia, in 9 N stands for North America, in sticky S stands for South America, in apricot A stands for Africa, in at A stands for Australia, in April A stands for Antarctica. So this is the easiest way to remember these names. Now first continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent both in terms of its area and population. It is located in the eastern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. India is located in Asia. The Suez Canal separates Asia from Africa. The world peak Mount Everest is in Asia. It is about 1/3 of all land on the planet Earth. And you know there are 48 countries in Asia such as Bhutan, India, China, Japan and so on, in which India and China are the most populous countries. Now, Africa. Africa is the world's second largest and second populous after Asia. Tropic of Cancer, Equator, the Tropic of Capricorn, all the 3 main latitudes pass through this continent. The prime meridian also passes through Africa. The Sahara Desert in the north of Africa is the largest desert in the world. Lake Victoria is in Africa, which is the largest lake of Africa. Nile, the longest river in the world, flow through this continent and it includes 54 countries in it, like Egypt, Algeria, Kenya, Ghana and so on. You know that 50% of the world's diamond comes from Africa. Now, third continent, North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It lies in the northern and western hemisphere. North America is surrounded by 3 oceans. To its west is the Pacific Ocean, to its east is the Atlantic Ocean and to the north is the Arctic Ocean. It is also known as the New World because it was discovered very late and it includes 23 countries in it, like US, Canada, Mexico, Cuba and so on, in which United States is the richest country. Now, South America. South America is the 4th largest continent of the world. It is situated in southern and western hemisphere. The equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass through this continent. Amazon, the largest river in the world in terms of volume, flow through this continent. The Andes mountain run through to the western part of the continent. It is the longest mountain range in the world and it includes 12 countries in it. Clear? Like Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Peru, Brazil and so on. Now, Antarctica, next continent. It is also called the White Continent as it is covered with ice and snow throughout the year. It is the 5th largest continent in the world. It lies completely in the southern hemisphere and extend to the eastern and western hemisphere. Many countries have research station in Antarctica. You know, on 9th January 1982, the Indian team established a research station named Dakshin Gangotri, and in 1988 and 89, other station called Maitri was established. Recently, India built an additional research station named Bharti in this continent. Antarctica lies within the Antarctic Circle and is permanently covered with thick ice sheet. Therefore, this large continent does not have any permanent human settlement. This is also called the cold desert. Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. Prime meridian and Arctic Circle passes through this continent. It is situated in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Europe is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. It is also known as the Europa. And in this, Russia is the largest in this continent, largest country in the Europe. Clear? Now, it includes 44 countries in it. Clear? Now, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is often called the island continent as it is surrounded by ocean and seas on all sides. The Great Barrier Reef along the northeastern coast of Australia is a unique feature of this continent. Australia is the only continent which is also called a country. Australia is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the west, Southern Ocean in the south, Pacific Ocean in the east, and Arafura Sea in the north. And you know, kangaroo is only found in this continent. Now, if you see this map, you will see all the continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So I hope you like this video, and in the end I would like to say Mother Nature made continents, human beings made countries. Thank you.